Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Brisket tutorials how to add vertex to polyline. As example, I will create a polyline object. You can tap line, press enter. I will create in it. Okay, simple polyline. If you select this polyline object, there are vertex on a corner and endpoint. You can see this is for the vertex 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Now, if you want to add vertex like in the middle, every line in it, you can use pedit command, type pedit, press enter, select polyline object. Now you can click edit vertex in a command bar. After it, you can see the selected will be automatically in the starting point. Now you can click insert vertex and we can insert in the middle. We move for this vertex into here by using next vertex, then use insert again. We insert in middle, next vertex, click insert, then click on the middle. If you're done, you can press escape button. Now if you select the polyline object, there will be add vertex in middle of the line like this. Okay, that's it for basic Brisket tutorials, how to add vertex to polyline. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.